Well, hello everybody. Oh, today is, I gotta look at my phone. Today's the 13th of April, and we're in for a doozy. I unhooked my tractor from the grinder to put my skid loader and a four-wheeler in. Got some feed here. But we're in for, I think they're calling for 6 to 10 inches, I think, today or so, or maybe a little less now. They've changed it back and forth so many times I can't even remember. We're in for that, and then tonight we're supposed to get 8 to 12 or 8 to 14, and then tomorrow another 1 to 3. So they're talking the range from a foot of snow up to 2 foot of snow or so. And I'm going to take you guys out with me on the four-wheeler. I don't know how the sound's going to be. I'm going to try to show you guys what it's like to be out there, I guess. I'm going out to check some cows that we sorted off yesterday, some pair. And I just got done bedding them down, and I want to try to get all the calves to the area we bedded down out of the wind. So I'm going to take you guys with me, and I'm not sure if the wind's too bad. I don't know what we're going to do. The wind's blowing probably 25 to 30 right now, so it's pretty windy. So I guess we'll see you guys when we get out there. Here are our poor fatties. They're going to be some fat sickles by tomorrow, little Holsteins. Earlier I drove past up here when I was taking the tractor, and I looked that direction and I seen that black spot. I thought it was a calf laying there, but I ran over there and it's just a big old turd, big old pile of crap there. So I'm afraid it's going to get a lot worse before it gets better. You can see that's where I bedded. The cows came over. But we'll see if the calves are smart enough I can get them over here or not. I sure hope they are, because if they're out here in the middle, they're not going to do very good. I'm going to check around this whole tree grove here. I want to make sure there's nothing down to this end. As I suspected, there's a fucking calf down here. Excuse my French. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on, you'll get buried in snow. Go down to mama. Come on. Hey! These cows, some of them just think this is party time. Come on, let's go that way. When you go in, I know we're counterproductive in your head, but let's go. Man! Come on, let's go, calvies. Let's go. Take your babies. Hey! Hey! Come on, hey! Let's go, calves. Hey! Hey! Come on, let's go, boys. Let's go. Oh man! Let's go. You guys probably can't see much. I'm behind my window. My windshield's gotten dirty. Let's go, calf. Let's go. Come on. Hey, come on. Let's go, boys and girls. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Hey. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Hey. Get out of the wind, boys and girls. Come on. Hey, come on, let's go. That's that stick. Come on. Get up there. Go find your mom. This is what I'm gonna call the shit snow. Let's go. Show us the shit snow. Come on, kids, let's go. If it wasn't for these Hondas, I don't know what we'd do. We're real hard on these Honda wheelers, but boy, I couldn't imagine doing all this on foot. I know some people out there do, and I have utmost respect for you guys. But come on, let's go, Cavs. Let's go. Hey! Hey, come on. Hey, 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 hey. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I should have brought my snowmobile helmet. Let's go, Cabbies. Hey! Come on, hey! 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 Come on, let's go, let's go! Come on, hey! Wire. Oh boy, there's a bunch of that wire. Man, that wind and snow is hurting my face. Hey, come on, get up there. Come on, get up there. Go find your mamas. Go on, get around this. Hey! Go find mom. Hey! Come on, hey! Come on, let's go, Cav, let's go. I know you guys don't know any better. You guys never seen this stuff before. This is very uncommon in our area to have this big of a snowstorm in April. You know, we generally have a few inches or whatever, but generally we don't get quite this much. I think them are all over here good enough. Hat about blew off. I'm gonna just let them be. I'll come out and check them later. Whew. Wind's coming up even more now. My dad's got to go out there and feed, so I'm not gonna tie that gate. But whew, it's gonna be the shit snow. But alright, well, I'll let you guys go. I'm gonna stop here and talk to my old man. I'll check in with you guys later. Well, there's thunder snow out today. Kind of creepy, to be quite honest. Here we got some hay rolled out for the calves and cows, and got that trailer so the calves can get underneath of it. And I frankly think we're probably about all we can do for today. I'm gonna probably go home and just try my darndest to get up to the farm tomorrow. See, the cows are all eating, so these cows, most of these cows have not calved yet, so. There's like, 5-6 calves out here, I think. I don't know if this little video is going to turn out or not, but I guess we'll gonna head to the yard and talk to everybody, and I'm gonna be heading out. Well, fellers, I guess I'm gonna wrap up today's video. And say, well, I'm headed home. It's about, I don't know if that clock's right on that thing or not. 2:30, 3 o'clock. Well, 3:30, I guess. But we've decided, you know, we're gonna have, my brother's gonna kind of watch things today, and I'm gonna try to get up here right away in the morning if I can. I think that's gonna be an adventure among itself. I'm taking my tractor home, obviously, and this is my new tractor for those who haven't seen it yet. But times like this, I wish I had a great big blade on it, but as you can see, the visibility is not very good. The wind's blowing pretty good, and the snow's coming down pretty good. Actually, out checking the cows the last time, it was thundering and kind of pretty creepy. Having thunder snow, I've never been around that, I don't think, much before, and wow, snow's really coming down out here. But I guess I should make it home pretty easy with my tractor. I don't think I'm going to have any problems there. It's just back to getting back up here to do anything tomorrow might be interesting, I guess. But anyhow, you guys have a good evening or afternoon or morning whenever you're watching this, and I guess stay tuned for the rest of the snow saga.